Hey everybody, one of the highlights of Florence is visiting Duomo. So we did that one day and checked out most of the parts of the Duomo. We started out with the bell tower, and then we also climbed the Duomo itself. We also visited the cathedral and then downstairs as well, so let's check it out. First, we're checking out the bell tower here. Up the bell tower. Walking up the bell tower now. We thought we were just gonna walk up the dome. We're doing both today. This is the halfway point, maybe, rest stop. Check out the views. A little bit smoky today, but we'll be up there. I'll be up there. See those people? Yeah, we'll be up there soon. Little cage here, protect you from going all the way down to the bottom. But we are all the way at the top now for the bell tower. And we'll all be up there soon enough. We have 9:30 reservations, about 45 minutes from now. That's pretty cool to see. The square's not too crowded right now either. We thought we were done, but we're not. More stairs. So that was another middle floor. Now hopefully this is the top. We'll see. This is the third floor. Still more to go. Cool bell. More stairs. Let's go. So we made it that many steps. Well, let's go outside. This is the top for real now. A little smoky today. Yay, we made it. That's the top point there. We're gonna be there in about 30 minutes. That's the top. It's pretty high up. Oh, nice little sunrise behind us. But we got all of Florence behind us. Mid-level, more stairs. All right. Crowded. There we are, the top. Okay. That's the top right there. This is all of Florence here. How sweet. We were over there before, at Bell Tower. Now we're over here. Now we're going down. We were down there before. Now we're up here. Closer view to the top. Waiting in line for the cathedral now. It's moving quite fast, so don't be intimidated by the long line here. We're gonna go inside here. We're up there, all the way up there in the dome. Now we're going inside the church area. See what it's about. Oh yeah, so right in front of the entrance here are the gold doors here. This place. It's massive too. But doors are closed. Crowds are out there taking pictures. Nice door. Almost by the entrance. About 15 minutes waiting in line. It's a long line back there. But we're about to head in. So we got into the church, but we went immediately downstairs to Santa Reparata. Cool little downstairs with a lot of artifacts. Let's go. So this is the front of the church here. They're all the way up there before. See a lot of detail there. That's the church. And people behind us. Of course, right there. Yeah, we're all done with the Duomo now. That was cool. Went up the dome, went up the bell tower, inside the cathedral here, and also down to the tomb area with sand. Reparata. Hope I said that right. Anyways, done with the area here. Really cool. Bell tower. Anyways, let's move on to the next part of Florence.
It's nice. I like beating the crowd in the morning.
There's no crowd here.